hope it was not.
We sat with few children from low-income backgrounds to assess what they learn at school.
But I think this both
आप इसको एक बार 1 से 20 तक गिनती करने को बोलेंगे?
हाँ बोलिए।
1 2 3 4 5 6 18 19 20।
इसको भी आता है, इससे भी काउंट करवा सकते हो।
इससे भी करवा लीजिए एक बार।
नहीं 1 2 आता है, गंदी बने। ओह कैडबरी वाले चॉकलेट
1 to 10 बता दो।
1 2 3 4 5।
We then asked them a simple question to test whether they actually understood the concept of numbers.
और मेरे पास यहाँ पे 6 नंबर लिखे हुए हैं, आप अगर अनिकेत से पूछ सकें इसमें सबसे बड़ा नंबर
इसमें सबसे बड़ा नंबर बताइए, सोच के बताओ बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है।
देखो ये 6 है, ये 3 है, ये 5 है, ये 7 है, 4 है और ये 9 है। तो इस सब में कौन बड़ा हुआ?
Another experiment designed to test reading skills offered a similar insight. Most children could read specific words that they had been taught by rote but could not read any new 3-letter word.
We did a survey of 4,400 families in urban India by literally going to bastis, and what we found was over 8 out of 10 parents were sending their children to affordable private schools. A lot of them said that कि हम इतने भी गरीब नहीं हैं कि अपने बच्चे की एजुकेशन में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर पाए.
A look at how these children are taught will make it clear why these children don't really understand what they have most likely just learnt by rote.
So the kids are not learning because most schools teach using rote. So there might be a few kids from the low income backgrounds who are like anyway stars and kind of fight against the system and still succeed. But for majority of them, school is the only place where they get the right foundation.
Activity-based learning (ABL) is one of the most effective pedagogies for providing a solid foundation to children in their early years. So in 2015, FSG started program to improve private early education (PIPE) to help affordable private schools shift from rote to activity-based learning.
Activity-based learning is really about immersing the child and using multiple senses to familiarize the child with a concept or a language.
One chocolate. 1 2 3 4.
So now we did counting the numbers with this objects.
In just 4 years, PIPE has transformed pre-primary classrooms in 650 affordable private schools across India, where activity-based learning is now used extensively. To measure the impact of activity-based learning, we assessed senior KG children on 4 numeracy and literacy tasks. In 2018, senior KG children in PIPE schools could answer only 1/3 of the questions correctly. This was better than children in schools with no activity-based learning. Over the last 2 years, children in PIPE schools responding correctly to these questions has increased by almost 40%. Today, senior KG children in PIPE schools can answer half of the same questions correctly, indicating that over time, PIPE partners get better at implementing activity-based learning in affordable private schools. But here's the interesting part. FSG could achieve this transformation by adopting a sustainable market-based strategy.
We evaluated about 150 companies and we identified 8 companies which had good activity-based learning products. They were serving these products into the middle and high-income schools.
So initially when the idea was proposed by FSG, we were apprehensive. First we had to work with affordable private schools and we were not too sure whether we could influence them to follow activity-based methods.
It was in our mind a sector that because they provide affordable education, so they'll never afford a solution. We were like grossly mistaken.
But then FSG was persuasive.
We showed them that this was such a big business opportunity, how they could tap into this market, how could they sell in this market, what sort of a business model would work.
PIPE played a strong role in training our sales teams.
If I call out milestones of my business, collaborating with FSG would be right up there because it's really brought in rigor in our thinking.
It's not just the schools that teach using rote methods. That's something that parents assess at home as well. To address this problem, PIPE works with its partners to educate parents on the benefits of activity-based learning.
parents are feeling it. They are feeling the change.
What we were giving before and what we are giving now, there is like tremendous difference.
The philosophy of FSG and PIPE, which was to really create financially sustainable models, gives me the confidence that the work that FSG has done with these select service providers can almost become a template for all service providers to replicate.
The program to improve private early education PIPE aims to replace rote with activity-based learning in all the 300,000 affordable private schools in India.